you'll be focusing on the revision of your thesis and then internship. So this will be your class finale and no more other subjects left except for internship and thesis. So now, of course, we will end this. Actually, every year, usually mag-end ako ang semester with theater performance like you did last year. But actually this year, i-change ako siya because gusto ko mag-end ang sem with you. Switch ako ang actually, dapat today ang theater hapon mo, pero I need to switch it para sa inyo ako mag-end, okay? So, okay, we will going to watch your very final output, and all I can say is that hatod sa last, you should be excellence, and yeah, kaka-proud. Hatod sa last, dili mucho-mucho, kanang ano dyan siya, kanang last burak, gano'n, sa last. Yeah, so, I'm so happy na for the final output, still push gihapon, yeah. So, Ken, turn off the lights and let's
Frank out magbaba.
It's
Kalimut ko kasi si Dong Swata.
Bisa na kanta?
Si Dong Sata. Si Dong Sata. Tawag di ko siya. Si Dong Sata.
Officially, it's a relationship.
Girl, boy, bakla ka, boy.
Oh, syempre.
Ako ang preferred. Ako ang established business. Tumawag ko ano, Jack and Jam.
Yakan lang ako. Hindi mo kasunti.
Ako ay, tagnanin nyo. Yung siyo,
Ay! Sino? December?
mga bulong. Certified yan.
Wow! Ano na, naka-work ka ka na. Naka-work sa particular. And your life.
Bukan ba tayo ang mga
First.
First,
Kung cover. Kung cover.
Bitches, akala.
Done with my first chemo.
Ha?
Yay!
Si Kim.
Close man mo. Ay mo kasal.
Si Kim.
Nanay tayong akong kinabuhi sa cancer.
Uy, hyper pa ka itong last week.
Yagot.
Congrats sa inyo dahil.
Ano sa inyo ka?
Dili.
Sa ako ada.
Nagpita, uy.
Basta proud kayo po sa inyo makagraduate ng kanto.
Naunsa mo na siya. Kaya na. Bisip ang tinipon mo sa iyo na buhaton na to ka na tingin mo gusto. Di ba? Di ba? Ito na kaya pinaka-favorite na buhaton dyan sa kanyang first year. Sa ito? Bakit siya? Tapos mag-alita ka lang ito mo. Ay, ito mo, future. Yes. So, na third part. Anak pa sila. May mga galing bro kami. Anak pa sila. Don't just exist. Live.
Ano na sa pag-ping?
Manipig ang bata.
Sisi
Ozone Disco Clan Ozone Disco Tragedy.
Sa malagim na sunog na naganap sa Ozone Disco.
160 ang namatay.
Karamihan sa kanila, mga kabataang may kani-kanyang graduation parties.
Salamat kaninyang tanan.
And that's the final output of Baho Alright. Turn on the lights and... I know. It's fine. And, madali lang siya. Okay, Raph. Arvin, Andrew, could you please move the podium? Please. Yeah. Iuyo na ako ng ilas to siya na. Arvin. Diyan po rin. Oh, yeah. Disconnect sa graph of the...
Papaya sih. Duta ng salasi.
Hello guys, congratulations! Yeah, short lang ako ang event unlike the previous things we did before. And my general comment in output is totally different from what you did during sa video production. It's really totally different. Ang mga bida kay fresh. Dahil sila no compare sa previous outputs. And even though na ikaduhan yun ng music video may ay ma-compare na ko siya compare sa second year na output. No, both are excellent pero may different taste. Kumbaga, second year was very competitive. But this time was it's giving for one last life. Pero pang last one dun siya. Not, you know, it's excellent but it's not for competition. So, congratulations, I commend you all. And, yeah, ito na mag-switch. Okay, Rob, saan yung ano natin? VDR. Okay, may problem sa practical. But of course, syempre, just like last year, we need to recognize mga excellent outputs. So, na-prepare ko a little, hindi pa rin sa DNC sa mga trophies. It's just for, ano lang, to give recognition for exemplary outputs for the song, the artwork, and the video for one last time. So, let's start! Okay. By the way, Raph, could you please, painayin ang volume? Ano sa... Ayan. First award, any representative for the best music video choreography. This goes to This Is It, Song and Dance. Yes, the song is so pop, like it's a dance music. Okay, go! Isa man mag-receive. Love you. Diba, Summer Station ID. Congratulations. Picture na kaya lang. Remembrance. Okay na, thank you. Next. Best lyrical content. The content of the song. Well, I've listened to the song. Gaya gabi gaya ng kadlaw o galing ng buntag to really listen to the songs. And the songs were actually great. Wala ko na-expect na you could compose such songs. And ang pinaka-amazing na part for me is that different groups produce different themes and vibe. May nag-produce of alternative, may nag-produce of pop, electro dance, na yung pop, na ay rap, na it's different. But overall, the best lyrical content goes to Abo. Written by Who wrote this? Shetore Robles. And Adrian, of course, the Bangkok duo. So ayun, interactive video design. Video awards, last na to. Congrats guys, best lyrical content. Picture with draft. And of course, next category is best production design. So gi-appeal ako siya na category to honor the set, the location, the things for the preparation. And siguro na mo sa bet, but as I judged it, the best production design goes to K. Kaya pa ba? Ewan, answer na. Who's the PD? Eli. Okay. Okay, then, Charlie, congratulations. Ano? Galing ka na hilo man, Raf. Guys, PD. Next! Tama ba dahil? Next is best advocacy video. This music video that I chose, the first time we watched it, really melts my heart. And I love the message that it brought. Though all the songs, may sarili message to be fun, about hookup culture, about atong sa ozone, everything. So like concept. But this one, I choose this because it unifies everything that you did. So the best advocacy video goes to Cookie. Josh and Mark. Congratulations! Mark, Josh, and Kingsley. Next is babataas, hello? Okay, next is best acting performance. We need to honor actors who did well in their craft. And I observed, wala sila nag-act kayo from the previous outputs that you did. But this time, all out. And I chose two of them. The best acting performance goes to June Carlos and White Dumang. For the honor. Congrats! Next, we'll proceed with the genre type of awards. Next award is the best alternative song. Okay, hindi ako mag-speech, but this song, the first time I heard it, of course, yung tanang song was actually good, and even though na-pressure kayo, na may thesis, MC, company, everything, you still managed to do this. So for the best alternative song goes to Abo. An alternative song is a different genre of music na dili siya mainstream ang genre niya, so it's called alternative. Diba? Ilang song yung upbeat pero okay, received by Chitori and Adrian. Nabangbakuto duo. Dapat i-separate lang mo. Congrats! Next, let's go to the pop category. Next category is the best pop song performance. The first time I heard the song, it's sickening. And the person who sang the song, yung voice na fit sa song, and category. For the best pop song performance, that was a great song, Ken, and melody. Sample karon ha, live performance. Yes. Yes. The pop song performance goes to you. Congrats, guys. Next category is Best Electro Dance Music or EDM. Very obvious. And the first time I heard it, like, yeah, it's so vibrant, it's giving life of a shoulder. The Best Electro Dance Music or EDM goes to This Is It. Summer na. Christmas, pero summer na guys. Love the song so much. Kasi kung composed by Jasine Saizan and sung by Michael Copo. Isang performance naman Jack and congrats. Next, a specific category which is lalaki siya sa tanan mo. More katulad ng group ang who did this. The best rap performance. And obviously, the best rap performance goes to Kay. Kaya ba ba ewan yan ko na rap performed by Liza Marie Alba? Gusto niyo ba mag-sample siya? Congrats! Now let's go to the technical categories. First is the best cinematography. I don't have to explain this, you already know this. So best cinematography goes to Cookie. Cinematography, Joshua Sardoma and director of photography, Mark Busnars. So, okay. Si Mark. Congrats. Big boy by Cezanne. It's cuffing season. Congrats, Mark and Josh. Next category is Best Art Direction. It's like the Best Director Award. And this group, though every group had a great art direction, but this group managed to do something different from the previous things they did. And yun ang pagka-direct niya, excellent. So I chose this one. So for the best art direction, goes to Some Nights I Feel Like Writing. Directed by Elinir Acero. And June Alvero, of course. Gusto niyo bang mag-sample din si June? Categories which are related to your grades now. Next is the best song artwork. So which is a requirement no? Best song artwork. All the artworks were excellent. Like you really did something great. But the best song artwork goes to Apo. Acted by Marjorie Cuco. Yeah, she sent me the concept art, then the final output. So yeah. I mean, it's great. Congrats, Marge. Yeah, awesome. Come on, drawing. Congrats, Marge. Congrats, Marge. Next is Best Original Song. Medyo nag-isip kayo na part, kay i-choose rin na category without actually looking political content, lahing melody, lahing genre. But I need to choose, of course, I need to choose, di ba? I need to choose someone at the top of the top. Kay top man tanan. For the best original song goes to Some Nights I Feel Like Crying. Written by who? Written by Reponte Tamundo and sung by Mike Nolon. The vocal performance was great actually. You can each other And also if you pay attention to the song, there's a message there. Congrats guys, that's original song. Now for the editing category, the third best editing. So I don't have to explain editing. That's the major, diba? This is all IMD all about. This is what IMD all about. So hello. For the third best editing goes to Kay. Kaya pa ba? Kaya mahanap? Edited by Eliza Marie Ampad. Congrats! Next, the second best editing. Ang second best editing, actually nalisod ko sa first and second, but ang first, basta, medyo dukto sila. But first, more on visual, second, more on message, but overall, both were great. For the second best editing, goes to Apo. Apo edited the video ba? Edited by Chitori Robles. Congrats. And the first best editing goes to Some Nights I Feel Like Crying. Excellent. Deserve.
Nangapan niya.
Now let's go to the final. Nakano siya? Certificate holder. Hello. Ayan. Next, we proceed to the fourth best music video. Wala yung 6, fourth direction. Fourth best music video goes to Naalala Mo Ba? Congratulations guys. And your winner is Rocky Team. Tanan guys. Mag-live, pwede mag-live performance si Melody. Congrats guys. Job well done. Picture congratulations. Please upload the song on Spotify. It's good. Don't do siya. Original development. Hindi mo maka-copyright. For the third best music video year, for the IMD Video Awards, last na to. Third best music video goes to... Hello. Goes to This Is It, Summer Na! Diba ang saya? Ang saya lang. Nag-outing para makashoot. Ganon ang atake. Actually, nag-outing sila. Sideline lang ang shoot. Diba? Congrats. Ang saya. na mo. Congrats guys! Okay, now let's proceed to the second best music video. And there are two second best. So nag-tie na ko this time, they deserve a spot. So ang dili matawag ka to ha, automatically they are the first best music videos for this year's IMDb Video Awards. For the second best music video goes to K. Kahit pa ba? Ewan, siyak ka na. Congrats! Okay, gusto niyo ba mag-rap si Eliza Maria pa? Fairness, ang ganda ng vocals sa talang mga songs. Si Justin po. Justin. Ganda ng vocal performance si Justin dito. Di ba si Justin nagkanta? Galing. Congrats guys! Congrats! Okay, sayawin mo yung performance. Congrats, Anna. Thank you. And the other second best music video goes to Cookie. And now to the first best music videos. Noah, Abo, and some. Congratulations, everyone. Ano po? Abo and some nights I feel like walking. Yeah, sabay-sabay. Ha? Ayan, some nights I feel like grinding or na-print man din, namali na ko pronounce. Okay, some nights feel like grinding!